friends, I'm Ashrafil and you are watching my channel New Features for You. So let's go to the future. So friends, now I am going to solve a problem which is the value of limit x tends to 0 cos 4x minus cos 10x upon x is equals to, there is given some option A is 36, option B is 24, option C is 42 or option D is 16. This problem is very important for WBJE or JEE Main or JEE Advanced. I will solve it with two different processes. One was normal method and other was shortcut method. So let's start with normal method, which is very lengthy and take a lot of time. So start with normal method. Firstly, I'm draw here which are for limit x tends to 0 cos 4x minus cos 10x upon x square. Now I am use here L'Hospital, so implies that limit x tends to 0 minus sin 4x into 4 minus into minus sin 10x into 10 upon x square. Here I am using L'Hospital. Equals to, now I will separate it. Sorry, I forget here, this was 2x. Now I will separate it. So minus 4 upon 2 limit x tends to 0 sin 4x upon x plus 10 upon 2 limit x tends to 0 sin 10x upon x implies that minus 2 limit x tends to 0 sin 4x upon 4 x into 4 plus 5 limit x tends to 0 sin 10x upon 10x into 10 equals to, now I will separate it again. So here 8 limit x tends to 0, so must be 4x tends to always 0 sin 4x upon 4x plus 50 limit x tends to 0, then 10x tends to always 0 sin 10x upon 10x. So 8 into minus 1, 8 into 1 plus 50 into 1. So we find the result is 8 plus 50 equals to 42. So we find the result is 42. So answer is 42. It take a lot of time, but if we go with a shortcut method, then that take only few seconds. In fact, you can see the question and answer easily by seeing. So let's start with shortcut method. The general form of the shortcut method is limit x tends to 0 cos ax minus cos bx upon x squared. So the shortcut formula is equals to b square minus a square upon 2. That I had it very easily. Now I will apply this one here. Here you can see 4. A means 4 and B is 10. So now I will apply it shortcutly. 10 square minus 4 square upon 2 equals to 100 minus 16 upon 2 equals to 84 upon 2 equals to 42. It is happen very easily, but the condition is limit x tends to 0 cos ax minus cos bx upon x square. Here you can see here x is or x square. If x square is not here, then this formula is not applicable. So we find the answer is 42. If my videos were touched you, then like it, share it with your friend who has watched this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. New features for you.